It's time to stop procrastinating and start making progress. That's why in this video today, I'm going to go through the 5 best ways to make $10,000 a month. Now, you need to understand that it's all about choosing the right business model. It should align with the needs and preferences of your target audience. Choosing the wrong model may fail to attract a substantial customer base, resulting in financial losses. Trust me, you don't want that. Which is very true for the first model, which is dropshipping. Now, with dropshipping, it doesn't cost anything to start out and you never have to worry about inventory. Now, I have seen a lot of people spending hundreds, even thousands of dollars on ads trying to find ways to promote their products, which is absurd. What you need to do is use free traffic sources like Instagram, TikTok, even YouTube. You can use them to promote your products basically for free. When it comes to dropshipping, the most important thing is finding the right product in the right timing. Before we move on to second method, I have a question for you. What is your life goal? Let me know in the comment section. Now, the next option to make $10,000 is to start a YouTube channel. It might not be for everyone, but if you play a long game, you can potentially make $10,000, $20,000, even $100,000 a month. Firstly, ask yourself, why do you want to start a YouTube channel? Do you want to be famous? Do you just want to make some money? Once you find it out, you can find your target audience and what kind of content they will be interested in. You have to pick a niche that you find interesting and easily monetizable. If you're starting from scratch with zero experience, that's totally fine. You need to start as soon as possible because YouTube can be very competitive. Finally, you need to understand CPM, which is basically how much you're getting paid for every 1,000 views. Now, most of you guys don't want to spend months, maybe years creating products. Maybe affiliate marketing would be the right model for you. Firstly, find a niche that you're passionate about and easy to monetize. Go to affiliate marketing platforms like ClickBank or Amazon Affiliates. Sign up for free, choose a product, grab your affiliate link and start promoting your product through free traffic sources like Instagram, TikTok, even YouTube. The beauty of affiliate marketing is you never having to create anything yourself. You get to promote someone else's product within few clicks. Then you start to earn commission every time someone buys the product without you having to worry about inventory. Just make sure you choose the right niche, right product and right timing. Analyze the market, see what's trending right now and make sure to take advantage of the marketplace. Now moving on, some of you guys might have some unique skills that you're really obsessed with, something that makes you proud. Some of you are really good at something, spend years and years learning and studying. Well, this is where online coaching becomes a great side hustle to make over $10,000 a month online. Picture this, sharing your passion, whether it's teaching a language, personal development, web developing, fitness, you name it. Whatever skill you have, there is always a market for that. People are willing to pay good amount of money to learn a new skill online. You can do this at the comfort of your own home as long as you have a stable internet connection and a laptop. You can basically do this from anywhere around the world. So stop wasting your time. You need to start doing this right away. So whatever it is you have yearning interest in, even in your free time, never expecting to make money from it, well, you can make $10,000 from that by helping coach people online. Now, the last model I'm going to suggest is copywriting. If you don't like being in front of camera, if you like being alone in silence and you like to write, this is where you can get paid a good amount of money being a copywriter. With copywriting, you can sell to many people all around the world instead of selling to just one person. For example, like in sales, instead you can sell to a lot of people through written words, advertisement agencies, software companies, e-commerce companies, on and on. All of these companies have a lot of existing customers or clients. You can start doing copywriting for them like email marketing or social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook or whatever it might be. When they already have existing clients, you can easily make profit from that. You can make a good deal with them like 10% or 15% of their revenue and make a great income for yourself. For example, you made the company $40,000 and you take $6,000 from them. That's pretty great. $6,000 is quite good for a side hustle. Let's say you are working with 2 or 3 of these companies and you're making pretty good income, more than majority of people. Best part about copywriting is you never have to show yourself in public like you would have to with YouTube or affiliate marketing. So ladies and gentlemen, these are the 5 best options. Best thing you can do right now is pick one. No more wasting time. Don't make it complicated with the dilemma. Even if you fail, at least you'll have experience. I have literally went through 20 different business models before I became a multi-millionaire. I am not different than you are. Business is all about seeing what works or not. Whatever works for me might not work for you because we are all individuals. So that's it for today. And if you want to be educated on wealth every day, make sure to hit the subscribe button so I can help more people just like you.